Hey everybody, Gary Berger, owner of Baltimore Martial Arts Academy in GFT, Maryland, coming at you for Grapple Fit. Now this next exercise assumes that you have a manageable dummy. We're not talking about our spouse, by the way. Talking about actually a grappling dummy, all right? And my dummy here is about, I think, 70 pounds. I thought he was 120 until the UPS man came today and delivered me a true 120-pound dummy, and found out, oh my God, I thought I was stronger than I really was. So we're gonna do the slams. Now the slams is nothing real special here. You're just gonna lift up this dummy and you're gonna slam it. But you gotta watch out for a couple things. One, straining your lower back, and that could be done with poor technique, or maybe just doing more of these than you should. And honestly, this technique might not even really belong in this program, but I'm sure some of you might be up to it and you want to do it. And if so, go for it. Just be careful. So what I do is I straddle over top the dummy. I grab him by the hips and I kind of swing it and lift him up onto my shoulder. Once I do that, I slam. I grab by the hips, I swing, shoulder, boom. Hips, swing, shoulder, boom. And today, for my first Grapple Fit workout on Zoom, I actually did 13 of those with the 70-pound dummy. I've just thrown that name out there because I am a little competitive, and if you're doing that or similar numbers, I want to know it. Shoot me a comment. And again, these are the slams with the grappling dummy for Grapple Fit.